Cesar Millan thinks millennials shouldn't be allowed to adopt dogs. In an interview with Female, the 47-year-old star suggests mills are getting pooches to fill the void because the new generation doesn't have kids. First question, why would I take my advice from someone who calls himself the dog whisperer and, according to the article, has 20 dogs? But he tells Female that technology is getting in the way and millennials can't pay attention to one another, saying they are always on their phone and have no idea how to relate on a personal matter. Someone who spends this much time on their eyebrow game does not get to judge me for being on my phone. Cesar Millennial Hater also suggests young people who are serious about getting a puppy should slow their roll and foster one instead, telling Female they've been given everything. How are they going to maintain a dog? Well, I guess it's pet rocks for everyone instead. The only issue being that most mills probably have never heard of them. Silly millies. I'm Amanda Kabbabe for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.